Hey guys, we received this blood glucose monitor kit for test and try. This is a blood sugar testing kit with 50 blood sugar test strips, 50 lancet, 1 glucose meter and 1 lancing device. So no coding is required. So let me just open this box and show you the unboxing thing first. So here are the all content that comes in this box. So manual and things, the lancet stuff. So let me just show it to you. So this is a traveling pouch as well that you can store. So this is the glucose meter, these are the lancets and these are the strips. So battery is also provided, so this is a good thing, you can just start the machine from the box. So this is the main glucose meter, so it's lightweight and small factor. So let me just take out all this protective stuff. So here you need to just add in the battery. So let me just take this out. So the batteries are also provided, so you can just start this machine. So add in the battery and you can see like this is for the strip to take out, and this one are the buttons, but when you insert the strip it will auto start. So that's a different thing, but I'm just showing you the LED light before testing it. So here I'm just doing that off and stuff so that you can see. So these are the strips and you can see it's like 50 strips. So that comes handy with it, so you can use it for 50 glucose test. So these are advanced anti-interference strips and well protected in this box. So these are the lancet that you can put in this lancet pen for the use. So 50 lancet as well. So here we are just now adding, open this lancet pen, add in this lancet. Be careful because this will be the pointed thing, and just close this stuff. You can set this depth 1 to 5 for the depth you want. Once this is all set, just clean your finger. You can also put the strip and this will auto start. So this will read the strip, so no code entry is required, and you can easily put in the strip, just pierce, put in the blood, and within like 5 seconds you can see like the results. So these are pretty good and nice machine, pretty quickly done that, and you can easily test and then throw the strip. You can then store this back into the pouch and it's ready to go. So it's a nice glucose meter overall with the whole kit.